Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so today we are doing some spring cleaning. I'm super excited to get this stuff done. My back porch was so disgusting. Oh my gosh, I can't even begin to tell you. But anyways, I hope that you guys get motivated to get something done in your home, and I hope that you enjoy.
If you just kiss me slowly and hold me in your arms.
Here's some of the vitamins that I take. I like these vitamins. Normally I feel sick with multivitamins, like my stomach starts to hurt, but these don't do that, so I really like these. I've been taking parsley leaves, vitamin D, magnesium, and I retain a lot of water, so I have this water away, which I'm actually supposed to take this, and this one's 3 times a day, this one's 2 times a day, but I forget, so I do the 1 time. I need to be better at that, but yeah, these are the things that I take.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
Say something that will make my day, cause these memories of her won't go away. haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep. 'Cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels...
I don't think you can actually tell how dirty it is back here, but look at all the pollen on that table. I think I'm gonna get rid of that table, but we'll see. Yeah, so we're gonna try and clean up back here. This all looks really crazy, but we're going to clean it.
Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone 'cause I can't move on. Whoa, why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me, why did she go? Why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do?
Hey, get a water.
You're getting it on my face.
Oh my gosh, you are, yo. Oh my gosh, water down my face.
I'm a prissy girl, so. What the hell's wrong with you?
I'm gonna bring you to a damn a barn so we can really get busy.
No. Would never go to a barn.
You're gonna have to bring the pigs in and the sheep.
Yeah, right. I'm scared of everything. Come on, I was still scrubbing.
All back there. Oh, I'm gonna bring you some. Go ahead.
Okay, so now we're putting everything back in its place.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?